We are in the F-150 Lightning and going to do a max speed test. Not necessarily a time trial, but just a max speed test in a little bit of rain. But that shouldn't prevent us from getting to the 107 miles an hour. It's like 106 is our max today. Oh, there you hit 107. Well, if you're going to see the max speed forward, might as well see the max speed in reverse as well. It is 30 miles an hour. That's it.